Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this festival makeup. It's like a peach and yellow look with some graphic white eyeliner. So to start off this look, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I recently got this and I've been loving it. It really moisturizes your face, makes your makeup look really nice. So then I'm going to be taking the NYX Total Control Foundation in the shade 06. And then buffing it out with a Real Techniques Beauty Blending Sponge. So for my concealer, I'm taking my usual CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer in the shade 1115. This is the lightest one, so yeah, I'm just putting this over my eyes. I also put a little bit extra because I got a little pimple there, so just trying to cover that up. This concealer is really cheap, but also really good. Like, it gives a nice coverage, it's not too thick, it doesn't crease, in my opinion anyway, doesn't crease, and it looks really nice. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look, when you put powder over the top, it still looks nice. So yeah, so I'm just underneath, I did a beauty blender to blend it out, and then over the top I just get a fluffy concealer brush and just kind of go over the top of my lids. Yeah, and then for powder, I'm going to be taking the NYX No Filter powder. Again, this is the best powder I've used at the moment. Again, it's cheap, so that's a bonus. It's not a super mattifying powder. It gives a bit of a glow, so it makes your makeup look a lot more natural, more like skin, not foundation, I guess. So yeah, I just kind of put it under my eyes and then powder all over my face to set my makeup. The shade for that powder is Ivory. I think it's like 03 Ivory, so yeah. For bronzer, I'm going to be taking a stippling brush and the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Yeah, just bronzing out my face, under cheekbones, forehead, a little bit on the nose, you know the go. Now to contour, I'm going to use the NYX Contouring and Highlighting Palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade 07. It's the second darkest, not darkest, but second from the end, I guess. So afterwards I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl True Blush in Medium Rose. I don't use a lot of blush. I don't think blush suits me that well, but yeah, you can use as much as you like. So to highlight, I'm going to be taking this really pretty gold highlighter. It's the Too Faced Love Light highlighter in You Light Up My Life. So yeah, it's really pretty. It's a nice gold shade, and yeah, I just put that on my cheekbones. So for my eyebrows, I do the same as I usually do. Sometimes I switch up the products, but not a lot. But I'm going to be taking Chi Chi Brow Pomade in the shade Blonde. So this is the picture I'm kind of going off. It's that like pinky and yellowy kind of eye look. So yeah, peach on the lid and then yellow on the lower lash line. That's kind of similar to what I did. Yeah, so start off with, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette in the shade Salted Caramel, and this is just going to act as our transition shade. Next, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Subculture palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade Roxy, and I just go straight in there with a blending brush and just kind of put this in the crease and then blend it out so there's no harsh lines. Yeah. So yeah, here I am blending it out with a Sigma blending brush and just blending out the edges. So I mixed Burnt Orange and the shade Realgar from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and just kind of put this in my crease and inner corner and outer corner just to give my eyes a little bit more of like definition, so they're not just all one colour. Yeah. So now is for the yellow shade. I took the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette and took the shade Yellow, and just put this in my lower lash line and blended it out. Not really much to it, but yeah, that's So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be taking the Inglot AMC Gel Eyeliner in the shade 76, so it's just a white gel eyeliner. These gel eyeliners are amazing. I've got a pink and a white one, definitely getting more. They're so easy to use, and yeah, I just winged out my eyes, my eyeliner, and then I also did a little like couple of dots here and there just as a little bit of extra design. You can do like, you're free to do whatever you like. Yeah, so I also did a little bit like a cat eye wing in the inner corner as well. So yeah, just feel free to do whatever you want with the eyeliner. So for my lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX Lip Lingerie in Corset. And then also on top of that, I'm going to be taking the Covergirl Lip Gloss in Melted Toffee. Just because I like the shade of the NYX one, but then I also want it to be a bit glossy. So yeah, that's what I ended up with. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment anything you like. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.